everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Homecoming from the 3rd to the 5th of November 2025 on Monday. As Zenzo's life hangs in the balance, Zethu has to fight for her father to get the help he needs. Vusi's lies begins to unravel and cracks begin to show on Tuesday. Zethu is torn between respecting her father's wishes and fighting to save his life. Vusi and Spamandla seem to have dug their own grave by implicating Bramike in something he knows nothing about on Wednesday. Zethu is tormented as her father continues to push back on the idea of getting the needed medical help despite his worsening condition, while Sifiso learns that there is a bullet missing from his gun. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.